Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my new releases for this week. Friday, we are not doing a wiggle this week. I didn't end up getting to do a stock count last week because I did go to Disney, but I am doing a stock count this week. So stay tuned for some restocks and some new sale items. I'm hoping to get that done possibly tomorrow, Thursday. These will all go up Friday at noon Eastern and I'm really excited about this week's new releases. We have 4 collections coming out, 3 of them being exclusive art, so you will not see that art anywhere else besides SPC. We have 3 new foil releases, and then we have some new Scribbler releases as well. So let's go ahead and get into the kits first. I have sneaked all of these on Instagram, and I'm going to start with the one that I feel like you guys are the most excited about. This and work were equally, like, everyone was messaging me like, oh my goodness, this is perfection, and I was like, you guys, I know, I'm so excited about it. Sorry, Jessica texted me. So this kit here was drawn by Jessica, actually, J. Crew Plans. When Jessica was drawing for me a lot, she had one request that she wanted to do a custom Selena-inspired art. She loves Selena, and I was like, yes, Jessica, let's do it. Let's go for it. And she decided that the purple and the red would go together, and I just love it with silver. So this is a little bit of an older format, and I just love it. I remember when I sent it to Viv, Viv did like a full Selena inspired tan kit and I was like, I have to show Viv this, and she was like, oh my goodness, yes. I love the purple, I love the red. I think if you even don't want to use it just for something Selena, which they are doing a new, I don't know if it's out yet, a new Netflix like series, I think, or a biopic possibly, but if you didn't want to use it for that, I think you could also kind of use it for a concert possibly, but it's super cute. Again, I love these colors. I just think Selena's an icon, and I want to do more kits that are based off of iconic people, and where a better place to start. Sorry if you guys hear dogs barking in the background. This is the deco page, so you have the deco. You can see this is a little bit of the older format with the Scribblers. You have the extra full box here. Again, love these colors, especially mixed with the silver. I just think it's a really cool combo. It's very rich purple, and that red is super pretty. It's like the perfect lipstick red, I think. Not like bright red, but like just, you know, that lipstick color that you want to have on your lips. So this one is the older format with the old date cover font along with the washi on the side. So that is the ultimate kit. This is the freebie. It is the old Munchkin freebie. There is an option if you do want to add on the glitter sampler, which is gorgeous. I love the purples and the red again. There is a 15mm washi add-on, but I totally forgot that at work. Again, sorry if you guys hear dogs barking in the background. There are things in this world we cannot help, and that is one of them. So this is the Dreaming of You collection. Again, exclusive art that you won't find anywhere else, drawn by Jessica, J. Crew Plans. Then I have another exclusive collection for you guys. This was highly requested by Jessica and Kirsten to commission a RuPaul Drag Race kit. I personally don't watch RuPaul's Drag Race. I tried watching it one time. It just wasn't my favorite show, but I do get why people like it, and I love this kit because I love the colors, I love the glam, like just everything extra. So this is the work collection. So you have the hot pink, the purple, black and white. I love the black and white like elements in here. It's just very bold and just very beautiful. And then you have your deco on the side. I love these little boxes. When I use a kit that doesn't have these little boxes, I'm like, where are you? I need you. Then you have your extra full box here. Again, love these colors. I kind of wanted to release this kit and Dreaming of You in the same week because honestly, some of these color schemes are my favorite. They're so bright, vibrant, and bold. And then you have your bottom washi, which is just really cool paint splatters. Pair that with a white and silver washi and you are good to go. There is an option though that if you want to add on the 15mm, I think this is right. I'm not 1000% sure, but it looks right. I'll have to double check. You guys will see in the listing if this is the correct one. Kind of feel like it might not be, but it does match that purple color. So there is that. And then there are 2 options for the glitter. Oh, here's the freebie. And these are ultimate exclusive, these 2. So there are 2 glitter header options. You have the colors one, and then there's also an option if you want to do a silver. So this is another option if you want to like just pick up silver for future kits. And usually when I do like a solid colored glitter header, a lot of people pick up that even when they're not purchasing the kit itself. Just for maybe kits that don't have a glitter header option from other shops, Or if you find a kit, let's say that it has the silver accents, but I didn't offer a silver glitter header, that would be a good option to have. Then the last custom art here is a birthday kit, and I did do like Wild One as kind of like a boy birthday, but obviously you could totally use that for a girl's birthday, and you could totally use this for a boy's birthday. But since I did that one, I did want to do a little bit more of a girly kit for a birthday. You could totally use this for your own birthday. You could use this for your kid's birthday. You could use this for your niece's birthday. You could use it for your nephew's birthday, whatever you want to do. So this is just a really cute blue and pink birthday kit. It's kind of got like tea party like vibes here, but I think it's just kind of an overall cute, trendy birthday party kit. I love the colors with the gold. I just think these colors are really pretty. They remind me of a kit that I did a long time ago, but I can't remember. It wasn't exclusive art, but like these colors here remind me of that kit, but I can't put my finger on it. I think it might have been Bloomsicle, and now that I'm thinking about it, and it was something nautical maybe. I don't know, maybe it wasn't Bloomsicle, but I feel like it was something nautical. These colors are so pretty with the gold. Oh, your extra full box here. You have your functional page, your half boxes page, your washi and headers, your little things, headers and fancy labels, your ombre hair checklist, and you have your bottom washi. This is such a cute collection. Kind of living for it. And I love this bottom washi. Let me know in the comments down below if you know what kit I'm talking about, because it's like, I feel like it's on the tip of my tongue, but for some reason I cannot put my finger on it. So that is the ultimate kit for Cupcake. This one also does come in a mini kit. I'm going to pick this up. I did do unlimited stock for the whole weekend instead of the first 3 hours this past weekend, and I think the weekend before, and so far so good. I don't know if I'm always going to be able to offer that, but as long as I can, I will. So that is the mini kit for Cupcake. But you guys seem to really like me being able, I think I have Cheeto dust on here. Like me, I don't have Cheetos though. Dorito dust. Really like me being able to do that, so I'm going to try and do it as long as I can. So there is also an option for this kit if you want to add on the 15mm washi. And then there's an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. And then there are 2 fashion boxes. So this one is kind of more like a little girl, and then this one's more of like a teen tween type girl, but wanted to give you some different options with different skin tones on there. Then the last one here is not exclusive art, but it is quite beautiful. I did do a little color change on it. So it kind of gives it its own little SPC vibe. But let's go ahead and open this one up. This one is called Plan with Caffeine. Super cute. So it's a very like pink and neutrals kit, which y'all know I love me a pink and neutrals kit, especially when it has gold accents. So I love these full boxes. I think they're so cute. So you have kind of like breakfast coffee elements along with like planner elements, which I think is pretty fun. This planner here, the little clip and the little pen are actually exclusive to my shop, so that's kind of cool. And then I just think everything goes together really really well. You have the brick, the marble, you have this hexagon. I'm loving the different kinds of neutral shapes. Again, this colorway with the pinks and the grays and this like really pretty like blushy nude. Tons of deco here, very, very tiny deco, love it. Then you have your extra full box over here, which is just a hand holding the planner with the flowers here. I love the patterns with the black in it. I just think black and pink is a really great combo. Kind of getting like my brunch kit with the black and the pink vibes, which was one of my favorite spreads I ever did in my planner. Then you have the ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi here and your extra full box along with your date covers. And then you do have the little Andrea Munchkins, which are so cute. I love them so much. I just think they're so fun and just something unique and different. So that is the ultimate kit for Plan with Caffeine. Put those in here. So, goodness, dogs. Then there is an option for the mini kit as well. So there is the same freebie, the same full boxes, same deco page, same functional page, half boxes page. This is the mini kit page, and then you have your bottom washi page. I did end up doing black bottom washi just because I thought that the contrast would look really cool. It isn't one of the 4 colors, but I just think it's gonna look amazing. And this again is something that you could pick up to pair with other kits. I know a lot of you guys want some neutrals. I still need to get around to doing the white one. A lot of you guys want a white washi to put the overlays on just to kind of cover up any white out. So that is the mini kit. Like I said, there is an option if you do want to add on the 15mm washi, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. So that is everything for this week as far as kits go. We do have the 3 exclusive collections and then the 1 non-exclusive collection this week, so that does come out to 4 collections there. Then we do have some foil releases, so let's go through those really quickly. So the 4 foil releases this week, we do have the spring bucket list. This debuted in our advent calendar as a new item in there, and I do have the leftovers and the other foil colors. So this has a ton of different bucket list items for spring, but you could totally do these most other times as well. And then some little bows on the bottom in all 3 foil colors. Then we do have a new photo corner. This one I kind of designed a little bit differently. So these are the photo corners. So these are very like botanical, leafy, and then the way I did this sheet is I did all different ones, so it's not like there's 2 sets of them. Does it make any sense? Because I wanted to just have more variety. So if you want to do kind of like 2 matching corners, you'll just have to pick up 2 sheets, but there are some that like look pretty similar, so you could just kind of mix and match, but that just kind of left room for more options on that one. So you have that in all 3 foil colors. And then last but not least, we do have the I guess, I don't know what I'm going to call these, kid scripts, mommy scripts, family scripts. You guys let me know what I should call these, but they are the scripts from the like milestone, like baby milestone sheet. I think I might have had an ad one, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. But these are super cute. Whenever I did the milestones, I was like, I need to do a little sheet with all of these scripts on them, just because like a lot of these I would totally use all the time. And when I showed this on Instagram, so many of you guys messaged me and was like, thank goodness, because I've been hoarding the ones on the milestone sheet. So really excited about that one. And then I do have Scribbler sheets releasing this week. I did mention on Instagram that I am going to be redoing these Scribbler sheets. I kind of had like a little like revelation that I wanted to make them smaller and then just do 3 colors instead of the 5, because it was starting to take a really long time and I was getting anxiety about having to reformat them. So one day I just went ahead and did like, I think I did like 30 of them or something crazy, and I am releasing 5 sheets today. So I just brought home the Celeste ones. I was going to bring home the other 2 girls as well. So we have Sienna and then we also have Pearl, but I was like, I was just going to bring them home to show them in the video and then bring them back. So I just brought home the ones I'm going to use, which is Celeste. So this is Celeste with a coin. It does have like a shamrock on it, but you could totally just use it as a regular coin. So Celeste has the gray, and you're going to see the other girls on the listings have different color tops. I think that Pearl has like a black bar on top, and then Sienna has a pink bar on top, because those are the 3 colors that I chose to do these stickers in. And I feel like they're pretty usable for most spreads. Like, let's see. So this one, you could totally use the pink, the gray, or the black. This one, you could do the pink, the gray, or the black. This one would look really cute with the black or even the gray. You could probably get away with the pink. And this one looks super cute with the black or the gray. So I tried to pick colors that I thought would make the most sense. Like sometimes like I had yellow and like green, or no, yellow and maybe it was green in the other one. And I was just like, I don't know, like you could use these sometimes, but I wanted them to be like fully usable. And then the smaller sheets can be more affordable. So you could pick up more. And then, I don't know, I just thought it was like an all over good decision. So we have the little coin. It does have a shamrock on it, but it's very like minimal. So there's that. There is the little Easter egg, which is super cute. And then I did do a little rainbow sheet, which I thought was adorable. I did actually use one already in last week's spread, so that's why there is one missing there. And then I did do like combo sheets. So this is the little leprechaun sheet, which is super cute. And then you have the little Easter basket sheet. So I thought those would be cute, because maybe you don't need like a full sheet of one girl with the Easter basket, and you could kind of get more use out of them, or, you know, trade them with friends and things like that. So that is all of the releases for this week. I'm super excited about this week's releases. I love all of these kits, especially being able to release so many custom exclusive kits this week that are SPC only art. It's my favorite thing. I have a lot of custom art coming. I've been working with a lot of different people on a lot of different like ideas and mood boards, so really excited about those. You guys will hear about more about those in the future, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!